Jesus. That looks gnarly, isn't it? How steep, isn't it?
She's a bit steep, isn't she?
This one's going to be great for everyone.
I was waiting for Dom.
Oh yeah, I'll do it. I'll wait too.
He's up.
We just got like with that dirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
Nice one, Ol. That was so uneventful, like so no throttle. That was so good. It was like no, so I was like, he's gonna stall. He's gonna stall. Nothing.
I'm all about being very careful.
Very gentle. That was awesome.
What's the line here? This looks...
I'll just go straight up there, and then you can pop left if you don't want to go on the second meter off. It's a route behind you. Nice little roundabout one. Actually, it's a bit easier now. It used to be to the right, but now there's a line to the left.
Still doesn't look super easy.
No.
If Trev's struggling, you know it's hard.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
must have rode it in the summer when it wasn't.
This is your idea, Dom.
It was.
You still want to follow on?
Does that mean I
God damn.
Nice hole.
Not bad, yeah.
What? You can get past, Ollie. How's Dom doing? Good. That's a fun trail, man. It's hard.
Just like consistently steep.
Yeah. That's good, yeah. Get some use out of my mountain bike full face. That fucking bridge, I didn't get enough momentum and I was like, oh my god, I do not want to fall off this fucking bridge. Like the up ramp.
Bridge is a nemesis.
That was the scariest.
That up ramp scared the poop out of me.
I like looked at it, I was like, don't think about it, just ride straight. It's just
go.
like riding straight. Should we try Jake the Snake?
Yeah, it's fun. Like old school North Shore heritage area. It is crazy.
Jesus. That looks gnarly, doesn't it? Fucking hell. That's steep, isn't it?
She's a bit steep, isn't she?
Watch your eyeballs, Ollie's coming in. Oh, so close, Ol.
The far outside might be a bit of a fucking stretch, eh?
I think it's a bit of a stretch, yeah.
It's pretty steep.
Ollie, you would have made that if you just went up the centre.
If I was a pro.
You are a pro, Ollie, look at you.
I think the zigzag might be the...
The zigzag's the safest for sure. Just
What,
like
fully on the outside there?
Oh, I'm
no,
thinking
just like go left here and then pop your wheel and then pivot to the right.
I couldn't really get drive on that bottom shaft. I was just like spinning. So I just went, I just got pushed that way and went there. But then there's like a big rut here. If you could get here, that'd be good.
Yeah, I was gonna say left. If you can go full inside, you might be into it.
That would be the way. But yeah, I got second direction. My pegs were catching.
This one's gonna be great for everyone.
Fuck, I'm gonna give it a go.
You go full outside?
I'm gonna go fucking up the middle.
Oh, let me get out the way. You're in the middle.
Yeah, I'm going. No, not through the trees.
Shoot the gap!
Step one. Now step two. Foot pegs on the trench, I can't like get a good pop.
I had to get off and lean my bike and then put.
Come on, grip. Oh, fuck me. Nice.
You just gotta go twinkle toes over here.
Hey, good job.
That was nice.
Good job, man.
Fucking hell.
Alright guys, I'm getting an iPhone video of you.
Nice job, sir. This bit was way harder. Yeah, Dom. No, not in the trench.
Fuck, I had it!
I know, you were nailing it. Is Ollie gonna give it a go? Alright, Ollie's got no choice. That's unfortunate.
Give me a ball so I don't fucking make her up.
Here, why don't we, hey Dom,
Yeah.
if we'll both lift your back end over,
Oh, up into here.
up into there, yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna grab here or something? Ready, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now,
I know, right?
step 1 is fucking just leather it with no traction straight into Ollie's face.
You ready?
Ready.
Oh, fuck.